What's going on, guys? Hopefully, my mic is working now. Let's see if my mic's working. Okay, it looks like my mic is pulling through. Um, Let me also double check here, make sure I got NVIDIA broadcast. Yep, let me type in broadcast. NVIDIA broadcast. Okay, nice, nice. Got that. Not sure what's going on. I feel like my camera looks weird today. It's either that it's like shoved off into this corner here, or I don't know why. But okay. Let me just go ahead get set up here. We're gonna do a super chill stream here, and I'm not sure how long it's gonna be because I keep saying that like this this website's gonna be done soon. It's gonna be done. We're gonna add to the revenue counter, and yet the revenue counter never goes up. Um, so just bear with me, guys. It will be done soon, and we got my daughter here as per pretty much usual. She's gonna bear witness to the stream, make sure that we're all behaving ourselves. So, yeah. Gonna talk when I'm being bad or when I'm doing something exciting. She's gonna keep me in line. She's gonna beat me to check. I don't know. I didn't have the right wording for that. You trying to see the stream? Know we skipped a couple days on here, getting back into the flow. I'm not sure. I think Nightbot should have worked by now, so he must have disconnected or something, unless I'm wrong. Let me see. Nightbot dashboard. Uh, Says he's online. There we go. Okay. Pin message. All right, so we're gonna do this super chill, like I said before. We're just gonna bang out some of these issues and test the site. So there's not really much going into this. I don't really think we're gonna further enhance the look of things, the user interface or whatever, the GUI, the front end. Just trying to find my file here. Hold on. Put that in there. Um, I also started using tags in my videos, so let me put that on real quick too before we take this any further. Put on tags. Let me do. What can we do? PT 5.5, and then we'll kind of call it there. We'll just go ahead and close that. Now let me just go ahead and pop back into the stream real quick. We'll get some music booted up here too. I wasn't going to, but I don't know. Now I'm kind of feeling it. So, hmm. Looks like my voice has been going through the whole entire time. Wait, for some reason, nope, my voice is still coming through. You know, looks like my voice is higher than the music, which is good. Alright, so we just came across a bug on the website. It's saying this gift card is not active. What I want to do is I want to come into GitHub. I want to test something. Gift card active. What do you call them backwards? So let's do that. Also, let me go ahead and make another issue. I want to make it so gift cards can be added to an account. The account with double warning way. All right. Also want to make it so that way. What else did I want to do here? Oh, but I want them to still be able to add to another account, work with whatever. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to see if this can read my GitHub issues. Close out all the tabs. Kilo code. It's gonna see the image on the link, so I don't know if it can see that or not. So let's just go with Kimmy K just in case. You see this issue within GitHub and fix it. Actually, let me see what it says first before I push random changes to GitHub. I also met somebody in person that was looking for a Microsoft OneNote, like their own custom version. So we might build a little demo for them because I might meet with them in person and get that figured out. Looks like you can't directly access that. See if I can try this another way. It's issue 54. Nice couch rate. Alright, let's get Hermes in the background too. I got it working on doing some different things. Whoops. Telegram. Not really sure what it is working on at the moment though. It keeps bouncing back in between tasks. It's I completely redid the video task and it's been failing like non-stop, so I messed something up. Might not be able to access it. It looks like it might not be. Just from reading some of this stuff. This gift card is not active. Where is it? Check out. Do this. See what it comes up with now. Let me see if this got posted to the Discord. You also check who else is streaming on here as well. None of the homies are live streaming right now, other than B-Wall, but his is going 24/7, so that's different. Let's see what's going on here. I think it's getting owner names for what's it called? The lead scraping tool. This job just keeps failing though. No matter what, it just fails again and again and again. I'm not really sure why. Go ahead and take a look at the site too. There was a big problem with the way that the items carried over from the other website. I already see an issue right here. Okay. Wait a second, bro. Where the hell is this coming from? I'm not really sure what version of the website is popping up here. This has got me very confused. Hold on a sec. Because we made a bunch of changes to the site last night, and it looks like those changes might not be reflected. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, that's totally wrong. I'm not sure why it's doing that. I worked on this for like mad long last night, so I'm really hoping they're just glitching here or something. First off, these aren't muffins. So that's messed up right there. I don't know. I'm still gonna need to go in and double check everything apparently again, even though I started doing things manually last night. Damn, that's a total bummer. That is a bummer, man. Not sure why this isn't displaying a muffin picture. Right. That sucks. Oh well. Gift cards will work immediately after purchase. Production, only active gift cards will be accepted. Okay. So let's go ahead and test this. Push the changes to GitHub, please. And Vercel should see this very shortly. Oh ass, dude. Oh ass. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start posting on Reddit, see if I can post my channel there. Lab coding. Oh, how do I see the rules on here? That's been pushed. Yeah, while we wait for this to redeploy then and build. So that's that one. Vibe coding community. Alright, so there's the rules. No shilling. So apparently this is only for music, bro. I'm not really interested in that. Nothing in it. No advertising whatsoever. Alright. Maybe we'll experiment with that in a bit. So let's go ahead. Let's check out the site. Hopefully this ironed out that bug real quick. Let me make sure that it loaded up the right one. Let's go ahead and purchase a gift card. Let's do one for 200. Boom, boom, boom. This for me. Continue to payment. Want this to have its own tab though. Boom. Payment failed. Oh. Okay. Alright. Now. Alright, copy it. Hey guys, welcome to the stream. Feel free to pop your head in the chat. I love talking with you guys. Let me know what brought you here to the channel. Yo, Samurai, welcome back, man. How you doing, dude? I think it's gonna reject this number, but we'll see. See if it'll let me apply. Doing good, man. We're just doing some bug fixes. We've had a couple of revisions to this website. I was working on them all night last night, and it looks like some of them undid for some reason, so I have to go through and just readjust. So, man, fingers crossed we can get this done today or tomorrow or something. Are you trying to add a payment method? So right now I'm trying to get the gift cards to work, because the gift cards are not going through. Yeah, no, I would usually use Stripe as well. But this is actually a business that my mother runs. She's having me do her website, and she wants to use Square. So that's what we've been setting up. Originally, she used GoDaddy, but GoDaddy is not friendly with the API. So like, we decided on Square because she's got to do some in-person stuff. But pretty much for every other thing, I would also use Stripe. So I agree with you 100%. She's just already familiar with Square because she uses it for another business that she runs. So yeah, thanks, man. It's helping me get started here. I help her, she helps me. Bang, bang, and then I got some leads coming through in the background that I'm going to reach out to. I have another guy that I've talked to in person. He's looking for I still have to meet with him, but he's looking for a OneDrive alternative. So that should be interesting. Or not OneDrive, OneNote, Microsoft OneNote. He said he wasn't able to find anything, and I was like, yo, I can build you something custom, man. Let's do it. Yo, Epu Codes, what's going on, bro? How you doing, man? Welcome to the stream, bro. Are you a vibe coder, man? You know what, actually? I'm thinking about it. I'm gonna deafen myself in Bridgemind right now. Join you guys. Join you, Samurai. I don't know if Epicodes is let's see. 15 years old, coded 6 years, now vibe coded for around 6 months actively. Damn, dog. 15 years old and you've been coding for 6 years already? That's legit crazy, bro. You've been coding since you were freaking like, what is that, 9 years old? That's actually insane, dude. And now you've been vibe coding? So, yo, you got like a total head start. Because now you can freaking read the code and vibe code it. So you probably can bug fix whatever the computers can't bug fix if you run into anything. That's sweet, man. Mama gave me a laptop and VS Code. Yeah, man. Nice, dude. That's fire, bro. Yeah, that's fire, bro. What type of stuff you making, man? Taking this super chill today, guys. Trying to get gift cards working. All right. Yeah, that's the best thing, and I'm from EU, so today I started building a team of vibe coders to push applications together. Already have 3 legit team members. That's sick, dude. Where have you been finding people? Is it on Discord? Why are you using Kimmy K 2.6? Why not buy $20 codex or something? You know, my friends put me on Ollama, man. I was using Claude for a while, and I've been using Ollama for the past month and a half, maybe. And it comes with Kimmy K 2.6. It comes with GLM 5.1 and DeepSeek V4, so I get like all the models, which is cool. But I've been thinking about getting the Codex sub, bro. I'm not gonna lie, man. Yeah, the limits is a big thing there. But I've still been thinking about picking up a Codex sub. Like, I'll honestly probably pick one up and use that side by side. And now also they're giving away a free month, I heard. And then Claude just doubled their weekly limits, which is cool. So that always leaves a possibility that I could go with Claude also. And then this will just be like a fallback. Yeah, that's the thing, right? They got they have the same limits as Codex now. Yeah, that's sweet, man. That's actually fire. Because Claude used to be really good, like, and now, well, other than now that they just increased it, the only usable plan was like the $200 a month plan. Which is fine once we have a lot of revenue coming in, you know? It's just part of the trade-off, pay to play. But right now, while we're sitting in the negative, we'll wait a minute. We'll be in the positive soon though, so that's okay. We'll start small and work our way up. Got my Hermes going in the background right now too, though it's probably broken on whatever it's doing. I fucked up my freaking video pipeline, man. Sucks. So I gotta fix that. Okay. Lots more people joining here. Welcome to the stream, guys. Feel free to pop your head in the chat. Come say hi. Let me know what you got going on. What brings you to the stream if you're a vibe coder. If you're a homie from the other Discord. You know, that video editing lifestyle. Alright, let's see. So let's see if this is actually going through or not. We gotta push changes to GitHub. I did just drop my Replit subscription though, so I will start thinking about really soon what we are gonna pick up. If Samurai said Claude is the limits are basically the same, then I probably lean towards Claude, but I don't know. Plus, the new Gemini model's coming out too. I haven't been a massive fan of Gemini. A lot of people tell me that it's really good for front end. But I just haven't used it that much. It's just easier to use a llama. But we can see how that compares to everything, if they made any major improvements or anything. Yeah, 3.2 TBH Gemini is only good at UI. Why is it out already? Let me see if this is out already. Well, no, actually it's not out already, but next Gemini is coming at I/O on Tuesday. Okay. No, just all Gemini models are only good at UI. Yeah, that's a bummer, dude. I mean, I guess it's good. Actually, maybe that's not a bummer, because maybe it simplifies things. Then we know where to go for UI, I guess. Did you see the new Grok? Is it Grok 5.4? I saw something about Grok on Twitter this morning. I think Grok 5.4 or something came out a little while ago. Have you seen the new? Have you used the new Grok? I literally loaded some money on my X account, but I haven't on my developer account, but I haven't touched it yet. Or Twitter. Because I wanted to get it scraping Twitter and just like self-learning. Actually, this is messed up, so let me choose a different item. Nah, it still says gift card has an insufficient balance or amount already covered. Fuck, dude. Grok CLI, that is $300 a month? No, I didn't see the new Grok then. New Grok. I really thought it was Grok 4.4. I don't think it was 4.3. Okay. I gotta look at this now. Is Grok good though? Like, or is it just good at making videos and like research, I suppose? Like really fast information. Go on to Grok's website. click on subscriptions. Super Grok. Upgrade plan. I don't see it, man, unless I'm on the wrong website. But grok.com. Only $30 per month. Unless that was maybe that was a typo? Maybe it is only $30 per month, but I have a feeling it's not a typo. I'm feeling it is $300 per month. 20x more AI images and videos. Look at my link. Oh, I can't see links, bro. They don't come through the chat for some reason. There's literally no moderation on this chat, but links don't come through. If you add me on Discord, if you join the Discord, and shoot me a message, the Discord link is pinned. You can shoot it over as a message. I'll get it there. And then just let me know when you do that. Alright, Discord DMs? Alright, bet, dude. Yeah, give me 1 sec. Let me just push this through so that way this is working in the background. Alright, bet. Yeah, let me check this out now. First off, let me add you, bro. Oh, Bridgemind, okay. Super Grok heavy. What the fuck is this? Oh, it's the latest version of this post. Okay. Like it. XAI just dropped Grok build. Their agentic CLI for coding. I just bought Super Grok Heavy to test it. The AI Coding Wars just added another player. Claude Code, Codex, Gemini CLI, now Grok build. Running it through real live coding workflows today. Interesting, dude. I wonder if this comes with like free API credits to Twitter or something. Let's check it out. Damn, doesn't really give much information on it. Bro, that's practically nothing, man. This doesn't give you any information whatsoever, really. Tells you how much credits are, but how many credits does the plan come with? Hold up. I don't know. I guess we're gonna need to watch that Bridgemind video later, man. If there's some, if he released anything yet. I'm pretty sure I saw earlier that he was Out sick today. Not doing much anything. Right? Was that today? Almost positive. Feeling sicker today. I need a rest so I can stream again soon. Okay. Yeah. So I'll have to check this out later. Thanks for sharing this, dude. Alright, damn, shit, we're still using Kimmy, bro? I meant to switch that to GLM. I want you to look through the website and see if bugs. Oh, Epu, what model do you use, bro? Or what models? I want you to look through the website, see if you find any bugs. I don't want you to fix any of them right now. I just want you to make me a list. But, dude, that's pretty broad, but we'll send it. At some point, I'm gonna need to do some security testing and whatnot. I gotta see where this channel's popping up too. It's popping up on YouTube search now, man. Let's go. YouTube search, browse. Okay, so we're getting pushed a little bit, which is really nice, guys. I'm glad that we're getting pushed out there, that the channel's getting pushed out a little bit. It's a little bit of growth, but it's still really good. Like I said before at the beginning of this stream, and you guys might not all have been on here, but we're keeping this stream super chill and laid back today. You know, just bug fixing stuff and going through and testing out the website and different things. So that way we can push this thing to production. Usually send that guy a text real quick. Alright, good. This is finally my lead gen tool is finally finding owner names as well, which is good because it wasn't before. Oh wait, I wonder if there are no changes. There might not be changes, bro. Everything's already pushed. Let's see if Fallout is advertising the new XX limits on their website or not. X. I start using Codex. You gotta do to do this. Buy credits. Okay. Wait, they have a Go model for $8? Complex and accurate image creation. I would probably be doing that. Ooh, yeah. Okay, this is still doing its thing. Use windsurf? What's windsurf? I feel like I've heard that, but windsurf is way better. I feel, now that you're saying this, man, I feel like somebody told me about this. Hold on, hold on. Does this give you access to all this stuff? Or do you still have to bring your own APIs and stuff? It's similar to Cursor? Okay. Yes to what though? It has an option to bring your own APIs. Does it come with like some usage or no? Like on Claude and ChatGPT and Gemini and shit? Cloud. Oh, okay. Including DeepSeek as well? Okay. What do you like about it more? The fact that it comes with everything? How's the usage on it? Let me check out the free version real quick. Oh, right. Okay, that's what we were working on. Bugs. Bugs. It's good. The usage isn't that bad. Just need to make sure you use the models efficiently enough. Including payment, not validated server side, this kind of injection without a code. I don't think anybody's gonna be smart enough to do some of this stuff. Plus, it's only available for delivery nearby, so it doesn't even matter. Let's see. Launch Windsurf. Yeah, because I've been thinking about upgrading, man. Going back to Claude or Codex. But if Windsurf is good, maybe we'll check that out too. We'll keep that on the list as well. Your site does vulnerabilities, by the way? What do you mean on, I did test it and pen tested. I'm a security researcher. Oh shit. Busted, man. You're saying it does have vulnerabilities? I've heard these terms before, like pen testing and everything, but I don't know what the fuck that is, bro. I work currently at Google for threat intelligence? Oh shit, man. Damn, bro. That's wild, dude. You have Discord? Yeah. My Discord's just .robcreates, or I also have my Discord link in the description, or it's in the pinned comment as well. And you can just add me right from there, or send me a message or whatever you want to do. Do you know my friend Nico? I know. Here, I know this Nico from Platoon. If that's what you're talking about. Oh, what the fuck, bro? No! My stupid Nightbot, bro. Damn it, man. It literally just deleted all your messages. What a douche, bro. It's literally Nightbot that's stopping people. Oh, dude, I gotta fix that, man. That's not cool. Hold on. Alright, bet. Peep the server. Yeah, sorry, dude. I didn't, Alright, so I'm assuming that this is probably you? Yeah. Okay, I got streamer mode on, so... %, dude. Thank you for checking that, dude. Let me see. Let me get started in here. Maybe this will bug test for me. Choose key bindings, install surf, terminal command, sure.
Grainger is the go-to partner that helps keep your healthcare facilities ready for patients. Because there's no
kind of like that, bro.
Orders and deliveries from multiple
kind of like it, kind of don't. I don't know.
In one place.
Let's go with dark mode.
To lighting, air filters, and more.
Alright, let me get this. Bro, won't let me switch screens.
Call 1-800-GRAINGER, click Grainger.com, or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
Alright. Client windsurf connection to server is erroring, shutting down server. Okay. I don't know if I'll need, hold on. Let me... Just tell Claude this. Alright, bet. I need you to check for XSS vulnerabilities, RCS, etc. I want you to scan my code base to make sure I don't have issues. Restrict any CS RF issues, including lock the site down, and check for any issues people can exploit, Claude or any agent. Bet, dude. That's fire, bro. That's fire, bro. Let me see this. This guy right here, Cascade. Interesting, okay. And then I'll open up my project. Let me make sure there's nothing running here in the background. Did this make a file for me? I don't remember. But let's just go ahead and do that, yeah. Okay, let's boot up. Day trial of this if we still can. while we're doing that, I'll just ask fucking Kilo to do this for the time being. 2-week free trial. Da, da, da. On my wallet on me though. I gotta use the link. Getting windsurf set up here. Yeah, bet, man. Alright, open up windsurf. Alright, payment successful for windsurf. Let's go ahead and maybe restart this or something. Windsurf. Let me see when my Olama sub is up. Because maybe we can just jump on here real quick. May 24th. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead. Because I'll just renew my Olama sub.
But Asana helps you handle it. Asana AI can
Anyways.
spot roadblocks and assign work to keep everything on track. That's how work gets handled. Visit us at Asana.
Then I'll just resub if I need.
At the
Cancel
University of
sub.
Arizona Global Campus, we are proud to offer over 50 career-focused online programs to a fierce community of wildcats from around
Alright.
the globe. Proud to be UAGC. Learn more at uagc.edu.
That's free for Kimmy K 2.6. Okay, yeah, let's test this shit out, dude. I gotta put a new battery in my mic. Give me 1 sec. Alright, and now let's get started here. Let's see. Let me go back to your original message. Let me pop in here, copy this, and now we're going to put in this folder right here. As my daughter tries to sneak under my desk right now, bro. crazy. You said it's right here. Is there a way to switch to Claude Opus low though? Is that an option or no? Oh, I see. Okay, so you can adjust like the different outputs right there. Okay, cool. Go with that. See what happens here, man. Never used this before, so we'll see how this works. Rate limited. Already. Oh, I got rate limited immediately. I didn't even do anything. I got rate limited. Fuck, bro. Yeah, man. Hold on. What's the latest version of Sonnet? Is it 4.6? Or is 4.7 not out? Let's see. Okay. That's fine. Feed this to Sonnet, see what it says. Bro, we just switched to a whole different channel here. Boom. I read the book. Ah, shit, dude. I keep getting rate limited, man. Fuck, bro. I mean, it could be because I'm on trial, but like, this is not a good start, man. We might need to just, at least while we're on the trial, we might need to run this through this because it's not, it does not want to let us through. Let me try one more time with GPT. Also, how can I? What is this? me try. Automatically balances quality and cost. Let's see what happens when we put this in. Please don't rate limit me. Alright, I'm literally in a pro account here, but I'm getting rate limited every single time. So we're gonna need to run this through the other thing. We're gonna run this for another 15 minutes. Try and figure out this rate limiting on windsurf. Just reading on Windsurf right now, guys. I'll probably close this out, see if we can give it like a little refresh real quick. Cascade cannot switch agents during an active session. Okay, so let's boot up a new session then. What is Cascade? That is the question. Guys, we're still trying to figure out Windsurf right now. I keep getting bottlenecked with rate limits. I think it's probably because of the trial, but I'm just trying to see why that's happening. Unpaid Pro subscription trial isn't unlimited. Yep. Alright, it's an account level issue. Let me make sure that this is loaded up properly. Not much information there. That's okay. I wonder if I can click and drag windows. Okay, cool. Deep Wiki. Oh, okay. Okay. We see what this has found. We had to feed the bugs through GLM because I was literally getting rate limit on no matter what I put into Cascade here. Unfortunately, I think that's a trial thing. So maybe we can use this for at the same time. I have another potential client that I'm going to be talking to, and see if this will go through since it's a brand new project. Let's see if we can build a little demo, like presentation or something for the other guy that I'm going to be meeting with. Actually, I want to put this in a different folder. What's up? To one node. Wow. I literally have no information on this, like what the issues that he was facing and why he doesn't like this app. So I don't know what we're gonna drum up, but we'll do something. So we're working with no context. We'll give the AI no context and just see what it builds here. And then let's see how this is doing right here. I have a complete picture. Let me start implementing fixes. I'll create a. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's working on that. I could have swore we had a middleware actually, but maybe this is just adjusting the one that we have. I don't know. I'm gonna want to figure out how I can bypass permissions on this thing too, so that way it just goes through. Guys, feel free to pop your head in the chat. Come say hi. Don't be a stranger. I'm only a little scary, I know. I try to not be a lot of it. We're just keeping this stream really chill and laid back today. We're not doing a crazy amount. Yo, what's up, Easy? How you doing, dude? How you doing, bro? Tilt my screen real quick. What are you working on, man? We just picked up a trial sub for Windsurf. One of the guys in the comments put me on. He's working for Google. He said something, he was doing some sort of security for him, which is pretty cool. So we just picked up the sub and I'm trying to get that shit working right now. Gives you, it's pretty cool. It gives you access to a bunch of different models with your subscription. Bring your own key, bring your own key. Oh, it's even got fast mode too? Okay, bet, dude. Alright, let's check on this. Let's see if the gift cards ever got fixed here. Oh, okay. Bro, that's how tired I am today. That's crazy, bro. That is crazy, man. Alright, so these gift cards were not working before. Honestly, this might even be giving me the same gift card code every time too. Let's order these. They're definitely not muffins, so that we gotta fix. Oh, that's just totally broken. Yeah, I'm not sure, man. I was working on this for a while last night, and something broke it. Something broke it. Nope. Gift cards are just straight not working. I would like to use Claude in this and see if I can get this working if it doesn't keep rate limiting. Let me see if I can open up another instance of this. Let me skip to the fun stuff. Probably won't need 1 million contacts, but I'm not really sure. Keep getting... when card purchase please don't rate limit me. We're doing 2 things at once now, so I think that's more of a reason to get rate limited, but I refreshed this a couple times, so maybe it's working now. Maybe whatever I was throwing at it was just too big of a job for it. I don't know. I genuinely don't know. I am curious how long we can run this for, though. You said that the limits were really good. %. This is our first real prompt, our first real test here. To see what we're gonna get out of this. So far, so good, man. We didn't get rate limited, so it's freaking working, dude. And we're running 2 things at once. This just looks like this is like lost and just like frozen or something. I don't know what's up with this, but the other thing does appear to be working. And then this is running whatever prompt. This is running whatever prompt Taylor gave me. I would have ran it in here. Windsurf was being mean. Alright, let's see. We're still at 3%. 1 prompt. So at the end of this, I don't think we're gonna be at 3%, but who knows? So what does that give us? 33 prompts. Each prompt on average takes around what? I don't know, it's been a while since I've used Claude. So maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So it really is 33 times. Let's just do 5. Let's go low. Do we get 3 hours worth of usage? And what was that on? Is that on the weekly or is that the daily? No, that's on the daily. So we get 3 hours of usage approximately before we run through our daily quota. Okay. That's pretty good. Or wait. No, is this actually a daily quota? Oh, it's not an hourly, bro? Damn, man. Oh, shit. It's actually a daily. I don't know. We're going to put this to the test, though. Let's check on Hermes, see how Hermes is doing. $16 confirmed owners found. That's good. That's good. See if this has made any. There's no progress that we can see, but I don't know if that means that this thing is stuck or like if I should end it or what. Oh, what model are we using too? Because we got to keep track of that. Okay, so we're using Sonnet. So if we used Opus, we would run through it so much faster. I wonder. How much usage does GPT 5.5 use? Okay, so that's Sonnet right there, I think. Okay. So if we use this, we can use even less credits. Alright, cool. Alright guys, welcome to the stream. We're just having a little bit of a chilled back stream today. Just doing some bug fixing and some different things. Testing out the website before launch. Let me make sure my mic is coming through here. Yep. Alright, 6 out of 19 to-dos. Okay. Fix. Oh shit, okay. Damn. Right then and there. Looks like we're about to be done with that. In the meantime, can I run? Whatever. Doesn't matter. Maybe I'll just ask Claude to do a pen test. I don't know. Might be easier. Nightbot should be fixed. So I don't think it's gonna freaking ban anybody anymore. Unless you're spamming. That's the only thing that I set up to actually just time out people from the chat. If you're not spamming, it should be good though. Need you to fix the auto restart. Multiple copy text. Let's go to the next. Boom. Playing a game of lights on, lights off, Avery. Alright, so it looks like this ran through. Alright, let's push the changes. Push the changes to GitHub. I wish I could. Is there a way to track on here? Taylors, if you're still in here, man, is there a way to track how long prompt has been running for? That's something I can throw on in a setting. I don't want to mess this one up, so maybe I'll do it on this one. Auto execution, auto. I don't know what any of this stuff is, man. Tab to import, tab to jump. Okay, advanced. Oh, we also don't have any skills or MCP servers set up, too. I just realized. Allow cascade in background. Arena always open full screen. Controls whether cascade automatically continues when it reaches the... What is Devon, bro? Did this import all my... Okay. Let's run a different window here. Let's turn off thinking mode. I don't think we need that on for this. What skills CP server do you market like this? Go to settings, MCP. Okay. Wing server doesn't have a built-in marketplace per se. Okay, fair enough, fair enough. Alright, so I'll basically just take my skills off Kilo Code and stuff, then I'll look at my all the skills and stuff that I have in here, and then maybe I'll transfer them over. Let me start a new session. Whoops. How do I start a new session, bro, other than coming over here to this plus sign? Can you grab all the skills and MCP servers from install Kilo Code? What is this, Windsor? I don't think that should take any thinking. Push to GitHub. Let's make sure that. Oh, what did that say? It failed and closed? Okay, we'll see if that will boot first. Run. Yep. Oh wait, shit. Oh motherfucker, bro. Make them all global too. Let's see what that does. Let's accept all changes. % of the quota. We've been using this for, I don't know, maybe an hour or so. Download this. I think probably an hour. Not quite. The changes to GitHub. Then we'll go ahead and make a new session. Switch to agent. Dude, let me hit the drop down next time that appears. I want to see what are my options here. Auto. It's not auto now. So hopefully it'll just run in the background. Again. Ah, dude. Rate limited again, bro. Motherfucker. Fuck, dude. You can probably only run one task at a time. Start using well, GPT 5.5. It uses less token. After this prompt, it's already up to date. There's nothing to push. The only difference is bugs MD. Nah, we don't need that. There's nothing to push here. Run that. Let's see if this is lying to me, man. Probably not. Probably just change something within Superbase or Supabase or something. That was all pushed. Do what it says. Let's just try and add a buy a gift card again, and let's try and use it while we're waiting for that. Yo, Nikolai, what's going on, dude? How you doing, man? How's the session going this far? It's going pretty good, man. Originally I was gonna pick up a freaking like Claude subscription, and then or a Claude or a GPT subscription, and then somebody from the comment section put me on this program called Windsurf, which is like an IDE, and then also you get what's it called? Oh shit. It's like an IDE, and then or no, this isn't it. Right here. And then it allows you to use a bunch of different models with your subscription. Like it all comes included, which is pretty cool. Yeah, and he helped me bug fix some things. He gave me a prompt to bug fix my website because he ran some tests on it. But now, unfortunately, I think we might have messed up payment on the website, because before you were able to put in payment details, and now you're not able to anymore. So we'll just have to go through and see what bugs we've introduced from our bug fixing adventure. Yeah, man. It's like a combined subscription. Right now, I'm just on like the trial. There's like a 14-day trial, so it is a little bit buggy. Like I am getting rate limited, but we're testing it out so far. But I think the concept is cool. Paying $20 a month, you know, for GPT and Claude and Kimi, and then the option to upgrade to whatever it is, the $100 a month plan or whatever. So we'll test out the usage on it, see what we're kind of running through and working with, And yeah, oh shoot, so we hit 20% of our daily quota in the past like hour. So we probably get like 5 hours of usage a day, and then we need a upgrade or something. The rate limits definitely haven't been the best, not gonna lie. The rate limiting has been pretty bad. Let me see if we can pay for anything else on here. Oh no, we didn't lose the payment field. Interesting. I'm like thinking about the next setup. Should I be for Claude or GPT or Codex? Yeah, man. I don't know. I'm thinking about that as well. I'm gonna test this for the 2 weeks that I got it, and then I don't know. I was also thinking the same thing. Because I've been using Ollama for the past month, which has been great. But Claude and GPT, Claude just upped their limits again, so they doubled their weekly limit. And then also GPT, I think, is giving away a free month, so you can use that on Codex or whatever. So that's cool too. And plus, Codex is really good, man. I think they're both models are like neck and neck right now. What are you using right now? Price mismatch detected. Okay, interesting. I bet the pricing is not accurate on Square. I bet that's what it is. Let me go back to the gift card field, see if the thing appears now. Payment is not loading through. For now, a €6 GPT and Gemini 15, I think. Okay, cool, man. Yeah, I have not. I've been using GPT for image gen recently, but I've seen a lot of really good stuff about GPT. Gemini, I've heard, is really good for front end or UI, or yeah, front end, and then it's pretty much good at nothing else. Research, maybe, but I don't use. I've been told so many times to use Gemini, bro. I just haven't done it yet. I used to use it a while ago, but I couldn't get it to do anything, so I stopped using it. Alright, this says it's... Okay, it's not already canceled. I want to cancel. Claude is next, though. Is that what you're going to pull the trigger on, man? Is that what you're leaning towards? Are you leaning towards Claude? True. It's 36 all across the board, so... I don't know. It's it was $47 or something like that we came up with here. Let me see the issue that we get again. Right, hear my daughter fired up in the background. Getting excited for the stream, man. Boom. Well, to try the €15 Pro version and for taking project on GitHub for portfolio and future job application. Yeah, it's probably a good idea, dude. That is probably a good idea. Alright, so let's see here. Let's run another thing. This is the issue when I check out. I have loaded null items on this product. Let's get the product. Okay, gourmet. I'm gonna try GPT. Let's see. And you can see here now, because I don't think I showed this yet, you can see how you're able to switch through the different models and different levels of thinking, whatever you want to do. Am I in the right project? Yep. Okay, let's see what this other one... Yeah, we just got rate limited. Fuck. There's honestly no point in running this. Definitely can't run two things at once, at least not on the trial. Oh, you know what? Oh, I know why this is failing, bro. It literally told me earlier. Yeah, I know why this is failing. Okay. I think it's literally because we didn't put in the env file on what's it called? On Vercel. Okay, environment variables. Let me just go through and delete all these guys and do this off screen because we're dealing with APIs and stuff. So this test might fail too, actually. And I'm literally in the process of deleting all the API keys. Project environment variable not found. Deleting this, deleting this. Wish there was a way to multi-select here, man. Kind of crazy that there isn't an option for that. Alright, let's put in the API keys right here. Boom. And we got all the API keys in there. Push the changes. Yeah. Alright, let's see here. Turn on turbo mode. It's fine. See if this has deployed yet. I'm gonna pop out the stream after this loads in here. No blogs. Alright, so this is the issue. I think it'll still run though. We had this issue before and the site still booted up. Yep, boots up fine. Alright, let's see what happens here. Let me see what is even still running. Anything? Let me pick. Okay. It doesn't show the freaking spot to even put in the credit card now. So something funky is going on there. Dude. Turn this up a little bit. Where is it? Just switch it to medium. It doesn't need to be anything crazy. You'll be able to figure this out. How long have we been live for? We've been live for 2 hours, 17 minutes. I think I downloaded Windsurf at somewhere in between 30 minutes and an hour in, I'm pretty sure. So we definitely still run through our usage pretty quick if we're using Claude or GPT, unfortunately. I wonder if I can use the image gen within this as well. What's this saying? We'll let that do its thing. Alright, let's see. Been a little while since we checked on Hermes. Okay, good. It looks like this is actually working now. Awesome. Let's do GitHub and let's just test it out. Been successful on Windsurf. We bookmark that site. I'm tracked locally, not going to worry about that. All we're going to worry about right now is the redeployment of this right now. We're going to pop on this site, we're going to test it out. It's either going to work, not work, but we're about to find out. Check my other server, make sure there's nothing going on there while this is still building. Okay, I think we're good. We are good. Good in the hood, man. Whoever's still here on the stream, you guys are real ones, man. Appreciate you guys for being here. Building latest. Oh, I thought it was done, dude. Alright, ready. Ready. Just fiddle around with a lot of this stuff. No payment form failed to load. Please refresh the page. Oh my gosh, bro. We broke it. We broke the site. Man. % of our daily usage. Website preview and this in browser. Let's let it do it itself. Alright, man. While we are waiting for this, the last thing, this is usually how we wrap things up on here. I'm trying to jumpstart my Fiverr account, so if you guys are in need of a website, feel free to pop over to my Fiverr. You know, if you need a website, if you need an app for your business, you know, got to make that money somehow. You got to get people on your page. If you don't have a page, you know, they got to call you or something. It's just inconvenient. So anyways, that's the deal. If you want a website or an app, feel free to hit me up on Fiverr. Also, if you're a vibe coder like me, feel free to pop your head in the Discord. Come join the community. Ask me for anything, any help you need, or, you know, we got a lot of really cool members in the community right now that you can tap into. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. All right, I'm going to close this one off here, and I'll see you guys soon. All right. Peace.